blessings. Cause every new day under the sky is a blessing. Yeah. And you're surely blessed if you have life. Hey. Ain't no guessing. Yo. I want you hear me like the radio. Want you see what I'm saying like a video. Yeah. Understand me clearer.
Who said that? Bounty killer. You messing with my people. Oh, what's good YouTube? It's a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Right now I have. It's Thursday, right? We have a new Soca song for me. You see me? I say Machel Montano High Life official music video. I don't know, it just dropped like 2 days ago when this I got posted. Dropped the reaction yesterday. I did the reaction Wednesday, so yeah. Anyway, so beach cheers ready. Big up yourself. You don't know that already. You can see what I'm going for this one. Like up the video, comment on this video to see your comment. If you like post, post every single day. But before this video even begins, guys, I want to make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. We're trying to reach 10k followers over Instagram. When we reach 10k, we're gonna have some giveaways over. So please go over Instagram, go follow me right now. 10k, we can do it, right? You can see what I go on. I don't know the goal on YouTube is 40k before the end of December, the end of this year, right? 40k. Let's see what's going on for this video right now. Run through. Oh wow. 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 High Life. Wow, radio. Wow. The plants them. Big up to the plants them, but you know what, big up most of all, the video clean, people. You see how the video just clean and sexy and look good on your screen? Yeah, I like it. It's a good look. Go on. Cassette. You know, I'm gonna see them something there.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah. When the forecast says nothing but clear skies and good moods.
Bob Marley. This is a reggae song. This is not a Soca song. Did you say Soca in the title? Hold on, the pause. Oh, it says Soca. It says Soca. What's the Soca? Alright. Big up Bob Marley one time. Big up the whole of the Marley family. Hold on. This, you know what beautiful about this too? There's a radio station outside. Man, I can't show them radio station from outside in the bush, them people. Tell me so that not lit. Tell me that this is not lit. You're controlling a radio station in the woods. Go on.
And that's all we see in the forecast for today. First thing I do as I rise up is count my blessings.
Yeah.
First thing you should do as you rise up is count your blessings. Cause every new day under the sky is a blessing. Yeah. And you're surely blessed if you have life. Hey. Ain't no guessing. Yo. I want you hear me like the radio. Want you see what I'm saying like a video.
Yeah.
Understand me clearer than.
You like the radio. Want you see what I'm saying like a video. But the beat, you know, you got me going like, you know me? I feel have a little bounce with it. Go on. Watch it.
Life hard but try don't make nothing trouble you. Morning neighbor, voice the dilly go. Hope you have a good day and everything is okay. No matter what happen, we not giving up. Plus life too short.
We have to pay attention to everything in the least detail. I have to pay attention to. You know, look at this right here. So now, I don't know what it said, but I'm gonna read it.
But try don't make nothing trouble you. Morning neighbor, voice the dilly go. Hope you have a good day and everything is okay. No matter.
Pause. When it comes to a video, you see me I say, last of a great breed. You understand me? That right on the screen of the car when I drive. But when it comes to video, you can control whatever in the video. You say you have to make sure, so when I react to it, I look. You see me I say, the least good thing in that video, them can take it out. So you have to look if them put it in there for you see it there. So go on.
But we not giving up. Plus life too short, so let we live it up.
Yeah.
It's all about the high life. We vibrating on a high frequency.
Yeah.
Vibrating on a high energy. Yeah. We coming to your life with a bag of good vibes. Everything is alright. We vibrating on.
Wow, look at myself,
yeah. Say, you know the vibes. We never stop, we never give up.
Yeah. Still I can't sing a reggae song. I still I go say it's a reggae song this. The only reason why we would have get the passes of Soca and the steel pan them in our background. But I must think about high life. Is he talking about the high life, like, you know, your life living high? I'm talking about the high life. Because that's a reach and thing in the background. You know that already, you know. You see me? I say, big up King Brad from Belize. Go on.
We never break, we never ease up. Yeah. It's all about the highlight.
Remember the scene, man?
It's all about the highlight. Yeah, me know. No bad vibes, no worries, have no time for stressing. Yeah, and the L is no longer a loss, a L is a lesson. It's a no profit in studying people business, so why you investing? What a next man do with his life can't be that interesting. Hey, I want you hear me like the radio. Want you see what I'm saying
Like a video.
Understand me clearer than stereo. Life over, try to make nothing trouble you. Morning neighbor, voice the dealio.
Yeah.
Hope you have a good day and everything is okay.
Yeah.
No matter what happen, we not giving up.
Yeah.
Just life too short, so let me live it up. Good sis.
This is brother.
Day, any best punch?
No best punch right now, but we will pass back later. You'll get something nice, but you have to pass on the side.
Alright, bro, guy.
Check it. Yes.
3 hours later, party time, you know. So we something like
We vibrating
after
on
about well fresh.
high frequency. Vibrate.
I put on my Soca fit for that video. You the right son dog, the right put it on the dog, the right me drop on the Soca fit in the dog and I say no, I just make videos already to them, I just go and make the video dog. No vex. But no, we can go so though. We can go so though. We can go so though. Oh yeah, we can go so though. Go on.
On a high energy. Yeah, we coming to your life with a bag of good vibes. Everything is alright. We vibrating on
Beautiful,
a
beautiful,
high,
beautiful.
yeah. Say, you know the vibes. We never stop, we never give up.
Blood up,
You know the high.
oh, go on.
We never break, we never ease up. Yeah, it's all about the highlight. It's all about the highlight. It's all about the highlight. Yo, you know the vibes. You know the heights. Say, you know the vibes.
Like that video. Nah, like. If you guys like this video, let me know down below. I love that video. That video are clean. The vibes about it, everything, and the story. You understand me? The highlight, even the name, everything about that video does. Okay, I like that video. I like it. It's very clean. The messages, story, and you know, I might enjoy doing the video. I might enjoy watching the video. Cause me, you see me, I say, you know, I can't be the only person watching this video right now and up on a thing like this. You see me? I cannot be the only person watching this video and just a move, so. I know you are watching a video to end up on a thing, so. Hey, yeah, whoa, all them, yeah,
You know the
yeah.
heights. Yeah. You know the vibes. You know
Hey.
the vibes. You know the heights. Yeah. You know the vibes. Hey. You know the heights. It's all about the highlight. We vibrating on a high frequency. Vibrating on a high
You got vibration songs.
energy.
You never see vibration songs, but you just get the vibes of that.
With
You
a
know
bag of good vibes, everything is alright.
Hey.
We vibrating on a high
Energy.
Say, you know the vibes. We never stop, we never give up. You know the heights. We never break, we never ease up. Yeah, it's all about the highlight. It's all about the highlight. It's all about the highlight.
This video done. Who vex like me when video done? I don't think nobody vex like me when video done, brother. All the time you feel good when video done, I want me not hurt. Right now, I never know hurt with that video done. But big up yourself as usual. Senior Machel Montano. Mucho gracias. That's it for this video. Big up yourself, people. Here's some boss signing out. Have a good Thursday because I'm posting this video first thing tomorrow. Well, today. Peace.